Nearly 7,000 feet above sea level, Logan Pass is where many visitors begin one of the Glacier National Park's most unforgettable hikes. Every step offers a closer look at Americans' wild landscapes. This is the best places in the park to observe wildlife. You may encounter mountain goats, bighorn sheep, bird, deer, and many more. The hike to Hidden Lake is about 5 miles round trip. A 5-mile hike over 3 hours felt just like an hour, surrounded by breathtaking mountains, icy trails, crystal clear water, peaceful wind, and wildlife. Ignore my noisy voice because I'm under the weather. You guys excited to see Hidden Lake? Finally came into view. Fed by snowmelt and framed by towering peaks, it reflects the wild beauty that makes Glacier National Park unlike else. Some places leave an impression long after the journey ends. This is one of them. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.